If you're a landlord in search of the perfect property management solution, the journey can often feel like a daunting maze. Now, one of the standout recommendations for property management tools tailored to residential, student housing, and commercial real estate is Appfolio. But what if Appfolio doesn't quite align with your specific needs? Not to worry, because there are options out there waiting to be explored. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Obagosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Appfolio is an all-in-one solution designed to simplify property management for real estate professionals, whether you're dealing with commercial properties, condos, or any other property type. Some of the standout features of Appfolio include a streamlined application and screening process, robust tenant communication tools, efficient rent payment management, quick maintenance management request handling, comprehensive marketing capabilities, and accounting software integration. And now the pricing. Being that it's a premium offering, Appfolio is on the pricier side when compared to other options on this list. But of course, it depends on your needs and which plan you're going to go for. The core plan starts at $1.40 per unit per month with a monthly minimum of $280, while the Plus plan starts at $3 per unit per month with a $900 monthly minimum. All right, now that we've covered our bases, let's explore our first alternative, DoorLoop. DoorLoop is a premier property management platform that stands out in the market. It offers a comprehensive feature set catering to residential and commercial property needs, all while providing competitive pricing that distinguishes itself from the competition. DoorLoop is well recognized for its phrase, property management software made easy, supporting various property types such as mobile homes, affordable housing, community associations, residential, commercial, and self-storage. But all this doesn't mean very much until we look at the features, so let's see what DoorLoop has to offer. Now, these features include automation, simplified tasks like rent collection, payment method setup, automatic rent reminders, and rent tracking with DoorLoop. It also offers software integration. You can seamlessly integrate DoorLoop with QuickBooks for enhanced accounting capabilities and increased flexibility as well. And then we have tenant communication. You can utilize DoorLoop's landlord and tenant portal for effortless communication, including messaging, rent collection, and maintenance requests. Speaking of which, it also offers maintenance management. DoorLoop centralizes the maintenance requests, allowing customization, invoicing, vendor communications, and payment handling as well. And to keep track of all those payments, it has a dedicated, robust accounting suite. DoorLoop's comprehensive accounting tools, including powerful reporting tools, automated filters, the bank synchronization, and streamlined transaction management means accounting will be a breeze. So that all sounds great, but what about the pricing? DoorLoop offers multiple pricing plans to suit various budgets and needs, and these plans include the starter plan starting at $49 per month, the Pro plan starting at $99 per month, and the Premium plan starting at $149 per month for those who want some more advanced features to manage their business. And now we have our second alternative, which is PropertyWare. PropertyWare stands out for its high degree of customization, allowing you to tailor your experience to meet your unique requirements. While it may have been originally designed for larger portfolios, it's a viable option if your budget allows as well. And of course, we have to look at PropertyWare's features. These include customizable dashboards, open API for seamless integration, online leasing capabilities, property management tools, accounting solutions, maintenance management, operation and risk management, and the list goes on. And at this point, you may be wondering, what about the pricing? According to PropertyWare, there are no hidden fees associated with the program. They offer 3 different plans. Their basic plan starts at $1 per unit per month with a $250 monthly minimum. Their Plus plan is priced at $1.50 per unit per month with a $350 monthly minimum. And lastly, they do offer a Premium plan as well, priced at $2 per unit per month with a $450 monthly minimum. But that brings us to our third alternative, which is Hemlane. Hemlane is a user-friendly platform with an intuitive interface. Whether you're an owner, manager, agent, or tenant, Hemlane offers features that can cater to your needs, making the property management process much more accessible and efficient. The features that Hemlane offer covers a wide array of property management needs, and these include rental advertising, applicant tracking, lease management, tenant screening, maintenance request management, payment management, and accounting solutions. The pricing for Hemlane is structured around 3 different plans. They start you off with the basic plan priced at $30 per month, with additional units available for $2 each. Next, they offer an essential plan for $40 per month, with additional units costing $12 each. And for more advanced capabilities, they do have the Complete plan, priced at $60 per month with additional units available for $32 each. We've got 2 more alternatives to look at, so stick with me. Up next is Stessa, a platform focused on simplifying real estate financial planning. Now, while Stessa is primarily oriented towards financial management, it also includes several property management features. Now, these include an owner portal, document management, leasing features, mobile app capabilities, tax management, rent tracking, and financial reporting. When it comes to the pricing structure, Stessa offers 2 plans. First, we have the Essential plan, which is free, making it an excellent option for those who are new to property management systems. For added functionality though, the Pro plan is available and starts at $20 per month. And last but not least, we have our 5th alternative, which is Inago. Now, Inago is a platform with a robust feature set for property management. What sets Inago apart is its exceptional user interface, designed to enhance the user experience. Inago encompasses a wide array of property management features, including accounting tools, tax management, leasing capabilities, tenant and rent tracking, maintenance request management, a tenant and owner portal, and financial reporting. Now, Inago's basic package is free of charge, granting access to essential features that you may need. But do keep in mind that occasional fees may apply, such as transaction-based fees for ACH and debit card payments. So, in conclusion, there is no one-size-fits-all solution for landlords. And while all the Appfolio alternatives discussed here offer excellent capabilities, you should select the one that aligns most closely with your specific needs as a landlord. Now, if you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to schedule a free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know the specific needs of your business and show you everything that we offer in greater detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video right now. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos just like this, and we'll see you soon, Loopers.